In the world of crystals, there is a fascinating concept of male and female crystals. These terms are not related to gender but rather represent energetic qualities and characteristics associated with specific crystals. In this chapter, we will explore the concept of male and female crystals, their unique characteristics, how to use them, when to use them, and the impact they can have on overall well being and physical health. Additionally, we will discuss the guidelines for working with male and female crystals and explore the scientific evidence supporting their effects. Understanding male and female crystals. Male and female crystals are based on the principles of polarity and energetic qualities rather than biological gender. Male crystals are characterized by strong, projective energy and are associated with action, assertion, and external manifestation. They are often clear, pointed, and facete. Examples of male crystals include clear quartz, citrine, and carnelian. On the other hand, female crystals possess receptive energy and are associated with intuition, nurturing, and inner growth. They typically have softer, rounded shapes and emanate gentle energy. Examples of female crystals include rose quartz, moonstone, and amethyst. How to use male and female crystals. Male and female crystals can be utilized in various ways to harness their unique energies. Meditation. During meditation, you can hold a male crystal in your dominant hand to amplify your intention and manifest your goals. Alternatively, holding a female crystal in your non-dominant hand can promote inner reflection, intuition, and emotional healing. Energy balancing. Placing male and female crystals on corresponding energy centers, such as the solar plexus for male crystals or the heart chakra for female crystals, can help balance and harmonize the energies within your body. Grids and layouts. Incorporating both male and female crystals in crystal grids or layouts can create a harmonious and balanced energetic environment. Male crystals can be placed at the corners or edges of the grid, while female crystals can be positioned at the center or in a circular arrangement. When to use male and female crystals. The choice between male and female crystals depends on your intentions and the energetic qualities you wish to enhance. Here are some guidelines. Male crystals. Use male crystals when you desire to manifest your goals, take action, enhance focus and concentration, or seek external success and empowerment. Female crystals. Opt for female crystals when you seek emotional healing, nurturing, intuition development, self-love, compassion, or when you wish to enhance your connection with the divine feminine energy. Why use male and female crystals? The use of male and female crystals can provide numerous benefits for overall well-being and physical health. Balance and harmony. By incorporating both male and female crystals, you can achieve a harmonious balance of energies within yourself and your environment. Manifestation and empowerment. Male crystals help amplify intentions, enhance productivity, and support the manifestation of goals and desires. Emotional healing and intuition. Female crystals facilitate emotional healing, inner growth, intuition development, and connection with your intuition and higher wisdom. Scenarios for using male crystals. Manifestation and goal achievement. When you have specific goals or desires you want to manifest, working with male crystals can be beneficial. Use them during goal-setting exercises, visualizations, or manifestation practices to amplify your intentions and focus your energy towards achieving your objectives. Productivity and action-oriented tasks. When you need an extra boost of motivation, focus, and drive to accomplish tasks, male crystals can provide the necessary energy. They can support you in taking action, making decisions, and staying determined and persistent in your pursuits. External success and empowerment. If you're looking to enhance your confidence, personal power, and assertiveness in external situations such as business meetings, negotiations, or presentations, male crystals can be beneficial. They help you project strength, assertiveness, and self-assuredness. Scenarios for using female crystals. Emotional healing and self love. When you're going through emotional challenges, heartbreak, or seeking inner healing, female crystals are valuable companions. They promote self love, compassion, and emotional balance. Use them during meditation, journaling, or self care practices to foster emotional healing and nurturing. Intuition development and spiritual connection. If you're looking to deepen your intuition, connect with your higher self, or enhance your spiritual practices, female crystals can support you. They help open the channels of intuition, enhance psychic abilities, and foster a stronger connection with the divine feminine energy. Nurturing and compassion. In times when you need to cultivate compassion, understanding, and empathy towards yourself and others, female crystals can assist in nurturing these qualities. Use them during forgiveness rituals, loving kindness meditations, or when working on relationships to foster harmony and understanding. Scenarios when not to use certain type of crystals. While male and female crystals have their unique energetic qualities, there may be scenarios where it's best to exercise caution or avoid using specific types of crystals. Personal sensitivity. If you personally feel overwhelmed or uncomfortable with the energy of a particular crystal, regardless of its gender association, honor your intuition and avoid using it. Each individual has unique energetic sensitivities, and it's essential to respect your own boundaries. Contradictory energies. There may be situations where the energy of a specific crystal contradicts the desired outcome or intention. For example, using a highly energizing and action oriented male crystal may not be suitable when seeking deep relaxation or emotional healing. In such cases, consider selecting a crystal that aligns better with your intended purpose. Personal preference. Crystal selection is a personal journey, and everyone resonates with different crystals. If a particular male or female crystal doesn't resonate with you or doesn't align with your intentions, it's perfectly fine to explore and choose alternatives that feel more in tune with your energy. Remember, working with crystals is a personal and intuitive practice. Trust your instincts, listen to your body, and choose crystals that resonate with you and support your specific needs in any given situation.